Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. I want to show you in this second video how to build in Blender a vase step by step. After opening Blender, we will delete the cube by first clicking with the right mouse button, then we will click on delete. Then we will click on Shift plus A so that a new menu appears where we will choose Mesh, then Plane. Now we will change the mode from Object mode to Edit mode. Then we will click on the Edge Select button. After that, we will select one edge. Next, we will delete this edge by clicking on the keyboard delete button, and then we click on vertices. Once this is done, we will select the remaining edge. Then we click on the G button and then on Enter. Thereafter, we will change the value in Move Y-axis and X-axis to 1. Then we will change from user perspective to front orthographic by clicking on the value 1 of the numeric keypad. Now click on the vertex select button and then we will choose a vertex. After that, we will click on the E button of the keyboard. Then we will move the vertex and then we will click on the Enter to fix the location of the new vertex. We will repeat these steps until we get the following shape. After that, we will select all the vertices by clicking on A. Now we will click on Modify Properties, then on Add Modify, and finally on Solidify. Then we will change the value of thickness to 0.15. Now we will click again on Add Modify and then on Subdivision Surface. Then change the value of Levels Viewport to 4. Then we will change from front orthographic to top orthographic by clicking on the value 7 of the numeric keypad. Thereafter, we will click on Spin button. After that, you click on the plus button and move the mouse without releasing to make a circle. Now you click once again on the plus button and move the mouse without releasing to make a second circle. Finally, you can change the vase view by clicking on one of the values on the numeric keypad. Now that we have finished modeling the vase, we click on Select Box, then we return to Object mode. Let's go now to the shader editor. Next, we go to Render Preview. After that, we click on New. Thereafter, we go to Add, then to Search, then we write Color, and we end with the choice of color ramp. After that, we connect color to base color as follows. Next, we go to Add, then to Search, then we write Mixed, and we choose Mix RGB, then we link it to color ramp. Afterwards, we go to Add, and we click on Search. Then we write grad and we choose gradient texture and we link color to color 1. We then go once again in Add, then to Search, and we write Noise, and we click on Noise Texture, and we link color to color 2. Now we go again to Add, then to Search, and we write the word Map, and we select Mapping, then we link it as follows. Now we write in Add, then to Search, the word SEP, and we select Separate XYZ, and we connect it as follows. Finally, we write in Add, then to Search, the word Texture, and we select Texture Coordinate, and we link it as follows. Then we change in Separate XYZ the axis by choosing the Z-axis as follows. We change now the color of the vase. After that, in Principle BSDF, we change the roughness value to 0. Thereafter, we select Light and we delete it. Next, we click on Shift plus A, then we go to Light and we select Area. Then we move it by changing its coordinates as follows. Afterwards, we click on Object Data Properties and we change the value of power to 1500 watts. Next, we add a second light source and we move it as well. Then we turn it to the vase by clicking and without releasing on the yellow point, and we give a power value equal to 1000 watt. We add a third light source and move it as follows. And we also turn it to the vase and give it also a power of 1000 watt. After that, we change the value of mix RGB to 1. Now we will add a plane by clicking on Shift plus A, then on Mesh, then on Plane. Then we change the value of size to 50. Thereafter, we change the mode from Object Mode to Edit Mode. Next, we click on the Edges button and we select an edge. Then we click on E button. Then with the mouse, we move it up. Then we give it a height of 25 as follows. Next, we will adjust the colors of the vase. Then we will increase the power of the light to 3000 watt. The vase is now finished. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.